This factory-priced dropside superlink trailer for sale in Zimbabwe is an extra-long trailer system consisting of 2 connected trailers. It can carry longer cargo and provides more transportation space, especially for the transportation of long and large items. This significantly increases the payload capacity, allowing more cargo to be carried per transportation mission, thereby increasing transportation efficiency and reducing the cost of each transportation. The fully removable sides of this factory-priced dropside superlink trailer for sale in Zimbabwe make loading and unloading cargo extremely easy. This not only provides more cargo loading space, but also makes unloading cargo faster and more efficient, especially for large, heavy or irregularly shaped cargo. This design greatly improves transportation flexibility,